Alright guys, we're out here at Carlisle, Pennsylvania Chrysler Nationals again with a few more cool finds in the bunch. I like to come over here in the swap meet section. As an old motorcycle guy, swap meets are always my favorite, so I like to check out what's going on. And I find a pair of cool old projects over here sitting side by side that I believe are the same seller, so we're gonna just knock them out in one punch. The first is a 71 Duster with a 3-speed on the tree. That's pretty cool. He wants $9,995 for this car, and it doesn't look too shabby for sure. If you stick around a minute, I'll give you the number on this one as well as the other one I'm going to show you. Let's see if we can see anything inside here. I'll give you the best view I can. Next to it, we'll go to a Polara after that. Same guy. Not sure where he's located after this show and where you can find him, but I'm sure if you Google the area code, that'll give you a better idea. If you're looking for a 71 Duster, I think you'll find this to be a cool project. Right next to it is a Polara, as I mentioned before. This is an automatic car, a 63 with a 383 in it. I really like this one. That's why I saved it for last between the two. I think it's a really cool start to a really cool car.
And again, don't forget, if you go to the Carlisle Events website,
he's asking $13,000 for this car, and the interior's looking pretty sharp.
So that winner's list is
If you notice,
right now. You don't have to wait for the printed copy to be hit.
there's no shifter on this car. This is a push button automatic. Both of these cars can be bought from a guy named Steve. He's here today, but today's the last day, so you'll have to just call him afterwards. You can reach Steve at 973-418-2258. Again, that's for both the 63 Polara and the 71 Duster. Steve, 973-418-2258. Meanwhile, check out the rest of the videos on the channel. See all the cool cars for sale that I found at Carlisle, Chrysler Nationals, and elsewhere. Browse around, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. You never know when I find something that you'll want to buy or just something you want to check out. So make sure that you're up on everything on the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for checking out this video.